Hello, my technical friends. This is TestOut Linux Pro, and this is Lab 12.8.5. Find parts information. So your Linux system named support has been running slow when trying to access a remote computer on the internet. To help troubleshoot the issue, you want to know what route your computer is using to access the remote computer. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to use the exhibits to locate the IP address of the external DNS server. Answer question 1, then use the command necessary to find the route. Use the access the external DNS server, then answer question 2 through 5. Then use the command query to find the route used to access the remote computer using the 10.10.20.10 IP address. Then answer question 6 and 7. And I guess that is all we need to do in this lab. So let's go ahead and start up lab. So if by the end of this tutorial you find this video to be helpful to you, you also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have detailed video one-on-one guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all, no matter how complicated it is. Also consider liking and subscribing to this channel so you have access to a wide variety of educational video materials to help you in your educational journey. So the lab has loaded. Let us start up right away. So we open terminal and we open exhibit. We open the questions and see the questions we have. What is the IP address of the external DNS server? And that is going to be 163.128.78.93. And let's minimize this. We close this. And then we work on our terminal. So we're going to type in trace route and space 163.128.78.93 and you press enter. Okay, so we're going to make use of this information to answer some questions here. What is the IP address of the default gateway? Hop 1. So default gateway, this is going to be 192.168.0.5. What is the IP address of the COPNET main router? That is going to be main router, is going to be 192.28.56.1. What is the IP address of the network security appliance? That is going to be 198.28.56.18. What is the IP address of the ISP internet router? That is going to be 198.28.2.2. Yep, .254 rather. All right, so we minimize this and we continue work on our terminal. All right, so we type in trace route space 10.10.20.10 and then you press enter. And then we go ahead and answer the remaining questions. How many routers? The 6 router. What is the IP address of the? That is going to be this. I will go ahead and score lab. So if you find this video to be helpful, also consider sharing this video on other educational platforms like Facebook and YouTube and Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.